Let's say do the what's be guys. So today we have a route this morning, and then this afternoon we have a route too. So we are going to work. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done work. Guys, so right now you guys we're going to a safety meeting, so it's gonna be fun and exciting. Hopefully the safety meeting goes really quickly so we can start packing some more stuff up and boxes. Yeah, I hope it goes really good, smooth. Hopefully there's no argument about stupid things, but that's okay, you guys. There's always things like that in safety meetings usually. So that's what's going on here, guys. So we'll talk to you guys when I'm done. Hey guys, we got the game show, so I'm just organizing the games. So that is what's going on, you guys. So it's gonna be fun and exciting. We having wedges, we have mac and cheese, and we having some chicken. Okay, this video is please guys see guys back in if you have